first international workshop on neonatology. We are here with Dr. Antonio Noto. We want to ask him some words about the project Better4U.
Yes, thank you. So Better4U is a new European project funded by the European Commission. It's a project which addresses the rising rates of obesity worldwide. And this project aims to elucidate the interplay of genetics, lifestyle and environmental determinants of weight gain. Better4U is coordinated by Arocopio University of Athens and the University of Cagliari, within other 27 partners, is involved in several tasks. So in particular, the University of Cagliari is involved, according to our skill, to the metabolomics analysis. We are doing a meta-analysis of pre-existing data in a total of 270,000 samples. So we are working to find the biomarkers that characterize the BMI. Our data, within the other data obtained by the other components of the project, will be used to obtain a strategy to face weight gain.
Dr. Noto, have you used some innovative technologies in your project?
This is a very important question because alongside our data we will use also AI, which will be very important to identify the best strategy.
Including the University of Cagliari, 28 partners. How has been working together?
Oh, it's very interesting because, of course, there is a big exchange in terms of information and experience. So this is very important for us to grow and to learn more.
Yeah. Good synergy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.